What is your name?
My name is John.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies.
Where do you work?
I work in an office.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I love pizza.
How's the weather today?
The weather is sunny today.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
What time is it?
It is 10 o'clock.
Where are you going?
I am going to school.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am hungry.
Do you use WhatsApp?
Yes, I use WhatsApp.
Where is your phone?
My phone is on the table.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I drink tea.
Are you busy now?
Yes, I am busy now.
Can you play guitar?
Yes, I can play guitar.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a doctor.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I work from home.
Where is your hometown?
My hometown is Chicago.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I like dogs.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I like cats.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I like chocolate.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you exercise daily?
Yes, I exercise daily.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Do you know my name?
Yes, I know your name.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play video games.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat breakfast.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
Do you drink milk?
Yes, I drink milk.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Avatar.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling.
Where do you usually shop?
I shop at Walmart.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, I go to the gym.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
Do you celebrate Christmas?
Yes, I celebrate Christmas.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Do you watch TV daily?
Yes, I watch TV daily.
Are you sleepy?
Yes, I am sleepy.
Do you like studying?
Yes, I like studying.
What's your favorite city?
My favorite city is Los Angeles.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
Can you use a computer?
Yes, I can use a computer.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like swimming.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Do you like parties?
Yes, I like parties.
What do you do on weekends?
I watch movies on weekends.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Can you play basketball?
Yes, I can play basketball.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I drink coffee every day.
Do you like watching YouTube?
Yes, I like watching YouTube.
Do you drive to school?
Yes, I drive to school.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
Do you watch football?
Yes, I watch football.
Can you write poems?
Yes, I can write poems.
Do you study English daily?
Yes, I study English daily.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I enjoy my work.
Do you like burgers?
Yes, I like burgers.
Do you play chess?
Yes, I play chess.
Do you want some water?
Yes, I want some water.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
Do you like painting?
Yes, I like painting.
Do you travel by bus?
Yes, I travel by bus.
Do you like rain?
Yes, I like rain.
Do you visit relatives?
Yes, I visit relatives.
Do you wear glasses?
Yes, I wear glasses.
Do you like history?
Yes, I like history.
Do you write in English?
Yes, I write in English.
Do you use Instagram?
Yes, I use Instagram.
Do you go shopping on weekends?
Yes, I go shopping on weekends.
Do you enjoy walking?
Yes, I enjoy walking.
Do you like poetry?
Yes, I like poetry.
Do you watch cartoons?
Yes, I watch cartoons.
Do you like playing outside?
Yes, I like playing outside.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I like going to the beach.